it's Kim, and I am about to run off to the gym, and I just wanted to show you what I have in my SuperBe SuperBe. So I love using the SuperBe for the gym and the beach. It's literally the perfect bag for those two things. So before I go, I will show you what's in here, and I'm gonna see if I can show you a quick on the body shot. It is a pretty big bag, but it is exactly the size you need for when you're going to the gym and the beach with those bulky items. Let me show you what's inside. So I do like to take a shower at the gym because I have 2 young kids. So after I'm done working out, my husband's watching the kids, so then I take a quick shower at the gym, have a little alone time. So this is how it's packed up for that. So I have my water bottle here in the front pocket. In this little pocket in the front, I keep my cell phone. And then in this pocket, I have my gym pass and some hand sanitizer. There is a big pocket in the back here with a snap, and I don't have anything in it. And now let's open it up. So I just have a towel, a full-size towel, just kind of thrown in there, and a change of clothes for after I take a shower. I have jeans, a tank top, a long sleeve shirt, and underwear. And in this back zipper pocket, I have my wallet, which is a small set piece, and in here I have my car key and a Be Charged that has just my credit cards and ID. So the inside of the bag here has 2 mesh pockets. I wish it had some elastic along the top because it is super unstructured with this mesh. So it kind of, everything kind of falls out, but I just have a large set piece in there, and in here I have all my makeup, so I won't go through everything, but just deodorant, lotion, bronzer, chapstick, brushes, concealer, things like that. And my hairbrush is in the other pocket. And that is all I have in there, and it's just the perfect lightweight gym bag. If it gets dirty, like if I take my gym shoes and throw them in here, this is super easy to wash. I've washed this about 10 times and it looks like it's new. So once it warms up here a little bit and we start going to the beach more, I will show you how I pack this up going to the beach with 2 kids. All right, hope this was helpful, and I'm gonna run off to the gym now. Bye.